Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I'm making a Mexican style chicken salad. I'm making a small batch. This is one large chicken breast, boneless, skinless. Right here I have some mayo, frozen vegetables, salt, pepper, a lime, and these are pickled jalapeños. And I'm going to make them on a tostada shell. Let's put it together. Right here, I have some boiling water. I'm going to add my chicken breast, and I added 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to let this cook, let it boil for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's totally cooked through. So right here, I have 1 lime. I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm just going to use the juice of 1/2 of a lime. And then I'm going to get the juice of my pickled jalapeno. I'm going to use a tablespoon of the juice. And I'm going to add this to my mayonnaise to give it lots of flavor. So I'm going to juice 1/2 of a lime and add it to that. So this is something I decided to do at the last minute. I peeled a potato and I cubed it into small chunks. I'm going to boil it until it's tender, and I'm going to add that to my salad. So once my chicken is completely cooked, I'm going to shred it. I'm going to shred your chicken, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator until it's cooled completely. So here are my main ingredients. My chicken is shredded, my potato is cooked fork tender, and these are my frozen vegetables. You do not want to put your frozen vegetables inside the salad. You got to wait till they thaw. But everything has to be cold because it's a cold salad. So right now I'm going to put everything in the refrigerator until everything gets cooled and unfrozen. Okay, so let's make our dressing. So I have some mayonnaise. I may use a little more. I'm going to see how it works. Right here, I have the mixture of the jalapeno juice and lime juice. And right here, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. And that's going to be my dressing for my salad. So right here, I have my chicken, my potato, and my mixed vegetables. And I'm going to add my salad dressing. Then we're going to give this a good mix. Just give it a good mix. So right here I have some lettuce. This is literally about a cup. I just grabbed a handful and I put it in a cup just to give you guys a measurement. But you can really pretty much put as much as you want. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to chop it up real fine and I'm going to add it to my salad. Okay, so I cut it up into smaller pieces. Now I'm just going to add it to my salad. I think that's going to give it a nice crunch. I'm going to mix all this together. Look at this, you guys. These are my Mexican chicken salad tostadas. Oh my goodness. Now, I saw a lot of people putting sour cream in the dressing. So I went with a little tartness with that pickled jalapeno juice and some lime. And it really seems to taste good. Okay, I'm going to taste it with everything together. Let's do it. Okay, you guys, this is how they serve it. They usually have jalapenos and everything. Let's see. It has a really good flavor. The tartness from the lime and the little jalapeno juice, it gives it a zing. Oh, I have it all over myself. I'm going to enjoy this. Okay, These are Mexican style chicken tostadas. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.